What's up, guys? We got another cereal review for you today. Today is going to be banana caramel Cheerios. Um, yeah, limited edition. I have no idea what these are gonna taste like because I've never had a caramel or banana flavored cereal before. I do like bananas on my cereal. My father would eat bananas on Cheerios every morning, uh, as in my childhood. And I also do it with, I prefer my banana on um, what's it called? I can't think. Sorry, guys. Today's been a long day at work. And I'm really hungry right now. Cornflakes. That's what it's called. I prefer my bananas on cornflakes, but I will also put it on Cheerios. Sniff test. Honestly, it just smells like a box of Cheerios. Nothing different there. Color has two tones. There are the kind of more orangey looking ones. And the more neutral looking ones. Both taste almost identical. Yeah, here we go. Do you guys wet your Cheerios? Or wet your cereal? Or do you just dig right in? I am a cereal wetter through and through. You have to get them all wet. Holy cow, that's a big bite. That was a big bite. There are no bananas or caramel in the ingredients list. I like that they're not overly sweet. I don't like that they taste kind of like artificial banana and not real banana. You know, banana is such a very powerful flavor. And I personally don't like it in specific things, such as smoothies. I don't usually put bananas in smoothies because it kind of just overpowers all the other flavors of the fruit. I do not like artificial banana at all. The first bite you have, as soon as it hits your tongue, it tastes like artificial banana, which I don't like. After you bite, maybe two or three, it kind of just tastes like I can't taste any caramel. I'll say that. Just kind of like a sweet banana. Banana caramel Cheerios cereal has some real taste appeal. Sprinkle some on top of vanilla ice cream as an after dinner dessert. Mix banana caramel Cheerios and popcorn together as a movie night treat. Try making banana Foster and mix some of it in for an oh so perfect extra crunch. What the heck is bananas Foster? Shows a picture of a banana sundae. Banana Foster is a classic New Orleans dessert featuring bananas sauteed in a sauce of butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon, then flambéed, F-L-A-M-B-E-E-D, and the first B, or the first E, has a little whoop on top of it. Stand by.
Flambe.
Flambe. Oh, okay. Which is past tense, covered with liquor and set in a light briefly. What? Cover food with liquor and set a light briefly. Oh, a light as in like flame.
Flambe.
Okay. Back to the bananas Foster. Sauteed in a sauce, brown sugar and cinnamon, and then flambe with dark rum and banana liquor, and served hot over vanilla ice cream. It actually looks pretty good. It's like a deep fried banana sundae. Or a banana split. That would be pretty good. These pictures look really good. However, I feel like the banana would be super mushy as soon as you cook it. Anywho. I will not be buying this ever again. I will see if I'll keep you posted if I finish this whole box. The color of the Cheerios has changed. They're more all homogeneously colored instead of the kind of orange and neutral. I'm not a huge fan of this. Yeah. Not my favorite. I'd rather have normal Cheerios with normal banana on top. Okay, have a good day. See you later. Bye.